You know that feeling, right? You ask ChatGPT or some other AI to write something for you, and what you get back is, well, it's just so bland. It's generic, it's boring, and it sounds exactly like what it is, something written by a machine. It's a super common frustration, but here's the secret. The problem isn't actually the AI.
So what's going on here? Why do these incredibly powerful tools so often give us content that just falls flat? It turns out the answer is way simpler than you might think.
See, the real issue isn't the technology at all. It's the instructions we're giving it. Think about it. Vague prompts are always going to lead to vague results. The quality of what you get out is a direct reflection of the quality of the prompt you put in. So this isn't about a failure of the AI. It's a huge opportunity for you to become a much better director. Let's look at a classic example, one we've all probably tried. You tell the AI, write a blog post about productivity tips, and what do you get back? This generic, useless list that you have seen 100 times before. I mean, it's technically correct, sure, but it offers zero value. It's the kind of content that nobody would ever actually want to read. So how do we fix this? Well, the solution is to stop giving the AI a simple command and start giving it a detailed blueprint. By giving it a much richer, more specific set of instructions, we can guide it to create content that's nuanced, targeted, and genuinely helpful. And we can break this blueprint down into 4 essential pillars. I want you to think of these as the foundation for every single great piece of AI-generated writing. Once you get these down, you'll be able to get high-quality, amazing results every single time. Okay, so what are they? The 4 pillars are role, audience, structure, and style. Simple, right? By defining each of these elements in your prompt, you give the AI the exact context it needs to stop being a generic robot and start writing like an expert. First up is role. This one is so important. Instead of just letting the AI be a faceless machine, you assign it a persona. You tell it who it is. Is it a seasoned journalist, a friendly lifestyle blogger with years of experience, maybe a philosophy professor? This one instruction completely frames the context and activates all the right writing patterns from its training. Pillar number 2 is audience. You have to know who you're trying to reach. Are you writing for total experts in a field or for beginners who are going to be scared off by jargon? Defining your audience, like, say, busy professionals who feel totally overwhelmed, shapes the language, the examples, and the whole tone to make sure your message actually connects with them. Next up, we've got structure. And this is where you really get to take the driver's seat. Don't let the AI guess how you want the content organized. Give it an explicit blueprint. Tell it you want a hook, then an intro, then these 3 specific main points, and then a conclusion. This guarantees a logical flow and makes sure all of your key messages actually get included. And finally, style. This is all about the personality of the piece. Do you want it to be professional and authoritative, or maybe more conversational and encouraging? Defining the tone as, say, helpful and encouraging, like a mentor, tells the AI not just what to say, but how to say it. And that's how you create a consistent and engaging voice from start to finish. All right, now for the fun part. Let's see how this all works in practice. We're going to take our original bad prompt about productivity and completely transform it using our 4-pillar blueprint. And trust me, the difference is going to be night and day. Just look at this prompt. It's beautiful. It weaves all 4 pillars together perfectly. We assign a role, you are a productivity expert. We define the audience, for busy professionals who feel overwhelmed. We give it a super detailed structure, from the hook all the way to the conclusion. And we set the style, helpful, encouraging, like a mentor. This isn't just a prompt anymore. It's a comprehensive creative brief for your AI. And the result you get from a prompt like that? A genuinely valuable article. Instead of that boring old list, you get a piece with a personal touch, a logical flow, and advice you can actually use. It has a voice that builds trust. Why? Because it's content that actually serves the reader, not just fills a page. And to make this incredibly easy for you to apply, we've put everything into a simple, universal template. You can use this as your starting point for pretty much any piece of writing you need to create. Here it is. It's that simple. Just work your way down the list. Define the role, the audience, the topic, and so on. By just filling in each of these components, you're making sure you're providing a complete expert-level prompt that will give you a high-quality result every single time, whether it's an article, a blog post, or even an essay. So, the power to generate amazing content isn't some secret held by AI developers. It's a skill, and it's a skill you can learn.
Now that you have the blueprint for expert prompts, the only question left is, what incredible piece of content are you going to build first?